Do you want to earn money while sleeping? I presume the answer is yes. And if so, you want to keep watching this video because today I will show you step by step how to set up this passive income stream for yourself so you can earn money no matter where you're coming from and no matter if you've never made a dime online before. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. So the website we will be using today and also the website which will be paying us is called thecombin.com. And right off the bat, when you come on this platform, you will be able to see that this is an Instagram marketing tool that increases growth. So it will get people who use it more followers. Not fake followers, however, but real ones. So this is not some site to just buy followers per se. It will instead get you real organic followers to your Instagram account in exchange for money, of course. Now, with that being said, since this is the platform that will be paying us, and we will not be using this to grow on Instagram or whatever, I will not go over all of these sites feature it has to offer because they're not the relevant for us. All that you guys need to know that actually matters is that this platform will get people real followers on their Instagram accounts. And so let us now get right to the point. What do you need to do when you come on this platform is you will want to scroll down all the way to the very bottom of the page. And you now want to find and click on affiliate right over here, which will take you straight over to this page. So we do want to promote this as an affiliate indeed, and that is why I said this platform will actually be paying us. And as a side note guys, I will show you a place to get traffic with complete ease that has nothing to do with the single social media platform. So we will not be using Instagram, we won't be using YouTube, Twitter, Facebook. We won't be using any of those platforms to get traffic, but instead some other site I will show you soon enough. Anyways, check this out. This site offers 50% commissions to its affiliates. For any one of you watching this who is promoted some website in the past, you will know that this is far more than most websites have to offer. You can generally expect commissions to go up to 30% at most and not more. And here we have 50%, so you can already see why this has so much huge potential, especially when you take a look just below how much money you can expect per sale. This site offers two pricing plans, personal and business. And as you can see, if just one person that I referred to you bought the cheaper personal plan, I would still get paid $30. Meanwhile, if someone went for the more expensive business plan, I would be looking at $50 of profit just from a single customer, which is a huge profit per sale. And as you can see right here, if I refer 50 people and they go for the personal plan, that's $1,500 made. If they go for the business plan, that's $4,500 made. So the money accumulates very quickly with just a small amount of customers, and you'll be able to get those numbers because I will show you a hugely popular traffic source later on that literally gets millions of visits per month. Regardless though, even if you're using some traffic source that doesn't get that many visits, the point is that you don't have to refer that many people to earn a lot of money. And this is all mainly thanks to the very high commissions this website offers. To sign up to their affiliate program and grab that link, you will have to click on the Apply Now button right here. And on the next page, you just have to enter in all of this info before ticking the box to agree to their affiliate terms and on the sign up button just below it. Now what happens from there guys is that you will have to wait a while before you get accepted into their program. If you go back over to this page here, you will see that it could be up to 24 hours, so you will just have to wait a bit before you get accepted. But once you do, you will get an email from Combin And when that happens, once you got the affiliate link of yours, it is now time for me to show you the next platform we will be using in this strategy. The platform in question is called docs.google.com. Now it may sound a bit confusing as to how this is going to help us at all as far as getting traffic to our link is concerned, but you will see that soon enough. So please keep watching and don't skip ahead. Anyways, what we will use Google Docs for is creating an Instagram growth guide. And I already did that for you guys. As you can see, I know you would be annoyed at the very least. I have to do it yourself since it is a tedious work. You will have to go on to Google and do all the research for growing on Instagram and then write it in your own guide. But now you don't have to. You can just grab the link of this guide of mine in the description box below. Now here's how this guide fits into this strategy. You'll want to leave your affiliate link in the same guide somewhere near the end. So you want to leave these steps, so to speak, on growing on Instagram. And you're basically getting people to get out and check the last step, which should say something like, use this #1 Instagram growth tool. Use this best Instagram growth tool. Try out the best software for growing on Instagram, and so on. And you will leave your affiliate link next to that. And so, when someone reads this kind of yours, they will not only gain value from it, but they will also learn how to actually grow on Instagram through these proven steps. They will also be able to click on our affiliate link and check out Combin. And in case they decide to pay the platform, you will get paid as well. Now, before we get to the traffic source in question, you will need to save the guide to your PC in either PDF or docx file. To do that, just click here, hover your mouse over download, and then select either of those two to download this guide to your PC. Once you do so, you'll want to head over to the traffic source in question, which is called slideshare.net. This is a website where you can find a bunch of articles that people share that you can read. And we will, of course, be sharing our Instagram growth guide on here. Now, the truly powerful thing about Slideshare is the sheer amount of traffic it gets. In the past month, it got over 100 million, which just shows you why this strategy is so powerful. And yet another feature of Slideshare is that you don't need to be some popular or professional article writer in order to be able to upload an article on here. And this is very important because it means that you, as a complete beginner, cannot upload or can only upload your Instagram guide here. But you can also get thousands upon thousands of views on that very same article. Just like some of these people who have uploaded articles on Instagram. And if you remember from before, you will know that you need 50 people purchasing the cheapest plan for you to make $1,500. So Slideshare has huge potential to make you a lot of money. Now, in order to be able to upload that guide on here, you'll need to click on the sign up button in the upper right corner so that you can create and log into your new account. Once you log in, this is all you need to do in order to upload that Instagram growth guide of yours onto here. You want to click on the upload button here, open up the guide from your PC, and then add a title, description, select the category, set this to public, and add a few tags and complete the CAPTCHA before clicking on the publish button down below. And that's it! Thousands of people will now be able to see this guide of yours, and you will be able to make money in completely passive income from there for absolutely free and with no skills required. Now, with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.